discuss with you the following points regarding what is GATE and what are the opportunities after GATE and our latest initiative, that is Classroom 2016 program. So let's get started with first of all what is GATE. GATE is an all India examination that is jointly conducted by 7 IITs and IISc, and it basically tests the understanding in various undergraduate subjects across different engineering as well as science streams. So what happens is that the GATE is mostly important because of the opportunities that are available after the GATE. So most of the postgraduate and the doctoral programs use GATE as a screening criteria as a written examination for the entrance to their different programs. As well as many public sector industries are coming under GATE, and they use GATE as a screening exam, and after that they conduct GD and PI. So for MTech entrance examination, GATE is the only written examination and it will be weighing around 70% in the overall evaluation. But for PSUs, the weightage of GATE goes up to 85%. Hence, a good GATE score is always useful while entering into different postgraduate programs as well as PSUs. But nowadays, what is happening is many state government industries are also coming under GATE. So it is likely that in the near future, GATE will be a single examination after the graduation for evaluating an engineering aptitude of a candidate. Also, it reflects good on your resume, as a good GATE score guarantees that the person is technically good and technically sound in various engineering subjects. So it always reflects good on the interviewer. But the thing is that in a GATE every year around 9 to 10 lakh candidates are appearing, and hence the competition is very high. So to crack GATE with good AIR or good score, you need a good guidance and you need a strong strategy. So we present to you our new initiative, that is Classroom 2016 program. It is a 10 months offline program that will be conducted in Ghaziabad, UP, and it will be conducted for EE and ECE branches, and batches will be starting Feb 2015. So how Classroom 2016 will be conducted is basically classes will be conducted on weekends and on public holidays, and we will be providing along with the classes study material that will be covering each and every topic that is being asked in GATE. And mostly what our objective is to try to avoid all the unnecessary topics that are not being asked in GATE, so as to reduce your burden. Also, we will be providing you a question bank which will have more than 3000 plus questions, so that you can go home and practice the concepts whatever you have learned in the class. So faculties will be demonstrating to use the solved examples in the class, and then you can use those solved examples to solve other problems that will be given in the question bank. The question bank will be mostly concentrated around GATE again, as we try to avoid the problems that are being asked in other examinations, so that you can mostly focus on GATE. Other than that, you can ask doubts in the class as well as after the class. So faculty will always be ready to entertain your doubts in the after class hours, so that you can have a personalized interaction with the faculty and you can discuss your doubts. And mostly the thing is, you can ask doubts with the faculty as well as you can consult me for regarding your preparation, whatever doubts you are facing, whatever is your situation, so that we can come up with a better solution. Also, we tend to provide you a study plan so that you can follow it closely and come up with better results than most aspirants. After the 9 to 10 months, in the month of December or January, online test series will be provided to entrants, and those will be covering mostly full test as well as part test. And full test and part test will be again concentrated on GATE pattern, and we tend to avoid unnecessary questions that may be asked in other examinations, which is the case with most of the test series. And we will focus solely on the accuracy of the test series as well as on the quality. So it will be a complete program which will enable you to crack GATE with good AIR. So guys, hoping to see you soon at Ghaziabad, and for registration you can check out the link below in the description of the video.